In the vast theater of the universe, nothing stays the same. Everything dreams of becoming part of something greater. Watch closely. This is the secret language of transformation. An electron surrenders its freedom, drawn to dance around a nucleus. Energy lost, but purpose found. In that sacrifice, an atom is born. Proteins fold and twist, abandoning their simple chains to create something magnificent: muscle, bone, life itself. Each bend costs energy, but builds complexity. A single brick dreams not of standing alone, but of joining others. Together, they sacrifice their individual identity to become walls, rooms, a home where families grow. And we are no different. The late nights studying, the comfort zones abandoned, the easy paths rejected. This is our fusion, our energy spent, our old selves dissolved. The universe whispers the same truth at every scale. To become more, we must be willing to lose what we were. The electron knows this. The brick knows this. The protein knows this. Your dreams are calling. What are you willing to sacrifice to join something greater than yourself?